just for the video don't be so long, I will separate it in parts. So as this part we are coding our CSS, let's just a video with doing this CSS. So let's continue. Now let's do a header, and just remember a header. When we use body, what is happening? When we are putting a body here, where do we have a body? We have a body here. So this code will change this all code here. Alright? So all that inside body is going to be that change. But you can, for instance, let's change just a specific part like our header. So what is our header? This is our header. So let's change just our header. Alright? We can put a text. Line 2 is a center. Okay. And a margin. 0. Alright. And width 100%. Oh, let's save. Oh, okay. It's working. Alright. So let's continue. But in this part, I will change it a little too. Alright. What I'm going to change? I will put our insert here a background. Okay. And this background, let's say background color, I will put a white. Let's save. Let's see. Oh yes. So we inserted our background here. Alright. So here we created a background here, but when we create, look, this is so large. Let's but it's not so large. Okay. We can use this here, so we can next width. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see just. Okay, it's better. It's better. Right, and the color on black here. Let's save here. Let's see. Okay, it's amazing. I wanna exactly like that. So we created our header, right, with this detail, and if you see, look that. And we could, for instance, create a header here for our H1, but we don't do that. No. And our section, right? And let's say that. And our background, let's put a background here too. This background, let's use white. About our section, and let's put a border radius 2 pixels. Say that, and the padding and pixels too. Let's save that, and width. Let's save that, and our margin auto, right, and our box shadow pixels 5 here. Let's put pixels and black 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, our section. So let's see. Oh, it's going to be it's a little weird here. Let's try to fix this. Okay. So okay, let's continue and end this and on this header, right? No, over here in this section. Oh, sorry, it's going to be here. Let's put here and just insert a border radius here too, like 10. Yes, let's save. Let's see. Oh, it's better. Yeah, it's look better. And let's say that again, and let's continue, right? So we finish our section. Now let's just fix here our text aligned. Let's put center, and let's insert a padding here, 2 pixels. Let's say that. And now for our footer, I have to text align, right? Center 2, and width 100%, and let's put a padding here, 2 pixels, and the margin top. No, it's the margin top, right? It's our margin top out here. Let's save it, and a color. Let's use let's use black for our 42. The font size, finally, it is 9 point. Right. Let's save that. No, we won't insert it, not yet. Let's see. We're doing okay. It's been very good. It's been so much better. And now this is the important part, because we do a thing for responsive in any screen. All right. So media max width, and let's create a section here, and the flex direction, and we had a column, align items, we have a center. Let's save that. Let's save and let's see. Okay, so we finished our CSL, all right, and now finally let's go for our JavaScript.